Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add applications to your home screen on Xiaomi F Pro TV. To do this, on your home screen, select the apps icon, which looks like three squares with a plus. Then, in the following menu, you will find all the apps and games that you have installed on your TV. To move the applications that do not show on the home screen to your quick access apps list, just press settings or options button, the three stripes button on your remote control, then click move, and then move the application to the top list. Click OK to accept, and then return to your home screen, and then you'll be able to find this application easily on your home screen. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.